Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Florets by Elsa. Thank you for being here with me for another video. So, I am waiting to hear from you guys to see what color palette you want to see next. But that will be for the next video because for this video, I already picked out a color palette, okay? And I hope that you guys love it as you have been loving these color series that I've been doing recently. So I don't have anything to show you because as I stand here, I have my painting over in that table and it's still drying. So you will see maybe 2 dry paintings on my next video. Yay, that's always good. I love the show and tell portion. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and continue. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are back down at the canvas and we're gonna go ahead and get started with today's color palette. I am working once again on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I am flooding with my Flow Acrylic Black by Artist Loft. I'm gonna go ahead, flood my canvas, and we'll be right back to layer our colors, okay? So here we go. Okay, so there we are. We have our canvas flooded. You saw me torch the base. That's to get rid of the air bubbles that come up to the surface so that when it dries, we avoid having pinholes in our painting. We are going to be starting with our color layering. I just want to tell you I'm so excited because yes, it had to be a red one this time. I did add a few colors to break up the colors of the red, only because I had a lot of shades that look very similar. So we're gonna go ahead, get started with Pearl Red by Amsterdam. Okay, I'll put a little more of this pearl. Next is a darker red within the realms, Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. Okay, so a rich red, and I am putting it against that pearl. This one takes over, so we want to be light-handed, even though on this black canvas, I wouldn't mind. But I want the other colors to shine as well. My next color is Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor & Newton. Pretty red. I know red is, I love the color red too. I don't think I have a favorite color at this point. I love all colors. What is your favorite color? Tell me. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what color you like best. This one is a shade of Iridescent Red Blue by Pebeo. It has the blue tone. I did want to add it because I wanted to see how it works with the reds, which I think it will do just fine. And you see that Holbein spreading? I love the colors. Now, to break all that up, I do want to add some Pearl Ivory by DecoArt. And last red color is Brilliant Red by Arteza. And you see, not much difference. If you look at these two, this is the Cadmium Red Hue by Winsor & Newton and the Brilliant Red by Arteza. Look at that. Look, you can't tell unless I have it labeled. I see like some pink. So let's go ahead with the red. And I'm gonna add a little more only because red is supposed to be the dominating color here. All right, so let's pop our air bubbles once again. A lot of air bubbles. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. And I'm gonna start off this way. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at all this in here and in here. I don't like this glob here. So I'll fix that. But I'm super happy with how this blew out. I love it. I'm gonna torch it out a bit. I'm gonna bring this in right here. I just brought that in. Okay, guys, I'm gonna clean it up a bit. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. So, hello, everyone. Look at her. She is a beauty. Take a look at the petals. Check her out. Look how gorgeous these colors turned out. Love it, how it fans out in that section there. Look at the gigantic cells. You can see some webbing and lacing in there. Check out that cluster right in the center there and streaming up the petal here. Beautiful lacing right in there. Love it. Let's travel down the center. And I try to break up that center there, but I'm going to leave it as is because I like it. Tell me what you think about it. Again, as we head up to the top, check out the cluster of cells. Beautiful colors. You can see the colors showing through here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Check that out. Awesome. Again, look at that. A lot of reaction happening here. This is as the colors went under the black base paint here, but that's okay because it creates kind of like a galaxy type looking thing, which adds to your beautiful painting. Tell me what you think about this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscription button. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.